Welcome to our fascinating yet somber exploration into the dynamics of nature, focused on wildfires and droughts, nature's catastrophic dance. Join us as we delve into the conditions that spark these devastating incidents, their far-reaching implications, and what they mean for our planet in the face of climate change. Learn about the unrelenting power of wildfires, the silent terror of droughts, and the intricate balance that exists within these extremes. From their ecological roles to their economic impacts, we're shining a spotlight on these global phenomena. Stay tuned for a journey that dramatically showcases the enduring dance between the elements and our Earth. 1. The unseen spark. What ignites wildfires? Wildfires start with a seemingly harmless spark, but the consequences can be devastating. Lightning is a natural culprit, setting vegetation ablaze during thunderstorms. However, it's human actions, like unattended campfires, tossed cigarettes, and intentional arson, that account for 85% of wildfires globally. Imagine taking a leisurely hike, and a small discarded cigarette butt suddenly turns into a roaring inferno. It's a stark reminder of human responsibility in managing our environment wisely. 2. Fueled by nature. The speed of wildfire spread. Wildfires are notorious for their voracious appetite and lightning-fast spread. Fueled by dry vegetation, strong winds, and steep terrains, these fires can travel at speeds up to 14 miles per hour. Picture a wildfire racing faster than an Olympic sprinter, devouring everything in its path. This rapid spread makes controlling wildfires a Herculean task for firefighters, often requiring coordinated efforts and strategic planning. As fire races through forests, it leaves communities devastated in its wake. 3. The ecological role of fire. Nature's recycler. Contrary to the destruction they bring, wildfires play an essential role in certain ecosystems. These fires act like nature's recyclers, clearing out dead vegetation, making way for new growth. They also help in seed dispersal for certain plant species and enrich the soil with vital nutrients. Like a farmer tilling a field, a wildfire prepares the ground for new beginnings. This process is crucial for maintaining balance within the ecosystem, ensuring life continues to thrive. 4. Wildfires and global carbon emissions. When wildfires rage, they release colossal amounts of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere. These emissions significantly contribute to global climate change, escalating temperatures and altering weather patterns worldwide. It's akin to opening the windows of a greenhouse and inviting more heat in. As these gases accumulate, they intensify the greenhouse effect, making it an urgent concern for environmentalists and policymakers alike. 5. Fire seasons are growing longer. With the envelope of climate change, fire seasons are stretching, much like a never-ending summer. Regions that once experienced brief fire spells now encounter nearly year-round fire risks. This expansion is due to a combination of rising temperatures and reduced rainfall, creating parched landscapes primed for ignition. It's as though nature has misplaced its calendar, subjecting vulnerable areas to relentless fire threats. This change underscores the pressing need for adaptive strategies to manage escalating fire dangers. 6. Droughts. When rain is a stranger. Droughts are characterized by prolonged periods of low rainfall, leading to severe water shortages. Picture endless dry days stretching into months, turning lush landscapes into parched lands. Droughts don't just affect plant life. They create a domino effect, impacting water supply for communities, agriculture, and industries. They are a stark reminder of nature's unpredictability and our dependency on her generosity. 7. Economic toll of droughts. Droughts aren't just environmental quandaries, they unleash an economic storm. Reduced agricultural yields lead to soaring food prices, making basic sustenance expensive and affecting every dinner table. Water-dependent industries face challenges, from reduced production to increased operational costs. It's like pulling the plug on a thriving economy, creating ripples that affect everyone from farmers to consumers. 8. The different faces of drought. Droughts don't wear a single mask, they appear in various forms. Meteorological droughts result from a lack of rainfall, turning forecasts into mere wishes. Agricultural droughts occur when the soil lacks enough moisture for crops. Hydrological droughts are marked by low water levels in rivers and reservoirs, akin to depleting life's reservoirs. Socioeconomic droughts cast a shadow over communities, affecting livelihoods and daily activities, illustrating the extensive reach of this dry menace. 9. Global hotspots for droughts. Droughts carved their signature on specific global hotspots, leaving indelible marks. Regions like sub-Saharan Africa, arid stretches of Australia, and parts of the US, such as California, are particularly prone to this persistent challenge. It's reminiscent of a recurring nightmare, where these areas repeatedly battle with water scarcity. This pattern of recurrence demands both attention and action to ensure resilience in these regions. 10. How climate change influences droughts. As the globe warms, the frequency and severity of droughts intensify. Rising temperatures increase evaporation rates, drying out the land faster than rain can replenish. This disrupts rainfall patterns, casting a dry spell over previously lush territories. Imagine nature's equilibrium being toppled by an invisible hand, leading to water scarcity and environmental stress. Addressing this link between climate change and droughts is crucial for future sustainability.